Hello, Master Ramakrishna. The block the city this file. One of the person told that Microsoft know this basically that if condition actually he is purchasing. Then one of the Microsoft person basically told that yes, basically we sometime basically track that basically the if condition thing basically which we are using basically that is also subscription I think, because after certain time basically they track that basically that we thing basically which you are writing in the if condition basically, and wherever the customers basically are using the if condition, that is also subscription basically. But this everything basically nobody can track. Why? Because you are paying the tax amount. In tax basically government basically never say that basically you are paying this amount for this, you are paying amount for this. For example, Microsoft Bill Gates is paying the tax amount, so government is going to tell that basically if you will not pay the tax amount basically then we will stop your if condition. Bill Gates, if you are not paying the tax amount then basically we will stop your while condition. If you are not paying the money then basically we will stop your what basically your modular programming basically. In modular programming basically the function which you are using basically that we will stop basically. That government basically never says this everything basically. Why? Because government don't disclose their secrets. This everything is secrets basically. Even basically the Microsoft people don't know this, that if condition they are actually purchasing basically. They are paying the government basically the money as a tax amount, and on the base of tax amount the if condition is working. If you want to check this you can check this basically. If one of the person told that Microsoft basically might be knowing, 100% Microsoft might not be knowing that if condition equal to 1000 cities, text box equal to 1000 cities. Microsoft don't know this. If Microsoft don't know, then how basically that TCS like big company, Infosys like big company will know this? That is also one of the question basically. So one of the person told that they basically don't know this, and this basically is the fact basically. So government basically know this. One of the person basically asked the question, because here basically the one of the thing basically I will discuss is that is the integration basically never happens. Integration never happens means the government basically are creating text box equal to 1000 cities, but they will never know that basically they are creating this city basically for the text box purpose only basically. If this will integrate, that means if each and every department, the government department, the IT department will become one basically, then the world creator basically will get in trouble basically. So he never integrates the stuff basically. That is a dangerous thing basically. That is the very dangerous thing. That's why government keeps on changing, keeps on changing, keeps on changing. And here basically sometimes some party basically gets end also basically, because world creator keeps their creation very secret basically. It's very secret creation basically. Because if you will know that basically text box equal to 1000 cities, then basically it might possible that you might create problem basically. Then one of the person wrote that what problem basically you can create? Tell that basically. One of the person basically wrote that nothing basically problem you can create basically. One of the person told that if you display this everything basically in front of the satellite group basically, then satellite group will say that basically yeah, he's telling correct basically. That time basically he will connect to the satellite group basically. Then satellite group will watch him basically what he is actually doing. That type of activity basically happens. Then basically the world creator will become inside, and the person basically who is doing the presentation, that is the text box equal to 1000 city, he will basically comes in front of the satellite group basically. But that basically never happens because world creator is very smart basically. He never does this basically. If anybody is doing this everything basically, he tracks it basically, and basically he started creating the problem. Sometimes basically he gives him aids also basically, and sometimes basically if he is going beyond too much basically, then he basically do the nasbandi also basically. That is world creator basically. Then world creator told basically, sorry, you are telling wrong basically, Sunil or Nair. the person basically who are the rich people basically, you basically watch them basically, they are this kind of people basically, they are this kind of people. In previous video basically one of the satellite person told that you actually, one of the rich person basically told that in previous video, sorry, the satellite person told that in previous video basically you had told basically that one girl basically was having AIDS, and she basically was very rich, from rich family, she was knowing Tatas and Birlas also, Tatas and Birla family also, and that family basically picked one poor boy basically, and that basically is real story basically. If you want basically, then you can see the data of Mumbai basically. When in Mumbai basically in 2005 basically 2004 some marriage basically happened. In marriage basically one poor boy basically was not having the AIDS, and the girl basically was having the AIDS disease basically, that AIDS disease basically that spreads to the sexual activity. Here basically the sexual activity has happened. Due to that basically AIDS basically happened in this because in Mumbai is like that kind of basically, because in Mumbai one of the percentage that what actually Mumbai is basically. So for that basically one of the percentage Mumbai actually hai kya hai basically, we don't know what actually the Mumbai is. We actually don't know basically, Sunil basically we don't know what actually Mumbai is. So can you please explain? One of the satellite person basically told that Sunil, we don't know Mumbai, can you please explain what actually the Mumbai is? So Sunil Arnar basically told that okay, just a minute, I will just explain you basically what is actually Mumbai. There are two songs basically for this. There are two songs basically for this that basically we are going to play just now basically. So see that song basically, or basically you can say listen this song basically. Lokhanwala song. This is also one song, and in this so first basically we will see this song, that is this song.
जब हम खाना खिलाने गए तो पता लगा कि एक बच्चा कई दिन से खाना नहीं खाया था।
मुंबई गणपत चल दारूला, गणपत चल दारूला, आज चला सोडा कम थोड़ा पानी मिला, आज चला सोडा कम थोड़ा पानी मिला, थोड़ा टेबल वेबल साफ कर देना यार, थोड़ा टेबल वेबल साफ कर देना यार, गणपत 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 गणपत।
Come on and everybody, come on and move your body, come on and shake your body,
shake your ass, shake your ass, shake your ass.
come on and everybody, come on and move your body, come on and shake your body,
Shake your ass, shake your ass, shake your ass.
So this is also basically Mumbai, and in next video basically there is one song basically that also we will see.
हादसों का शहर है ये बम्बई शहर, हादसों का शहर है, यहाँ जिंदगी हादसों का सफर है, यहाँ रोज